Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your BDO digital app and authenticating. This proves it is you. Once done, go to the Transfers or QR Cash Out section and choose Cash Out or Generate QR for withdrawal. Enter the exact cash amount you want and select the source account. Make sure the amount doesn't exceed your daily limit. Then tap Generate QR. This produces the code you will scan at the ATM or show to the merchant to get cash. Once you arrive at the ATM or cashier, either use the machine's Scan QR feature or present your app's QR to the merchant's scanner. You will see the amount and payee details on the ATM or merchant terminal. Check them carefully. After the scan, your app or the terminal will ask you to confirm the transaction. Authorize it with your app PIN, fingerprint, or the one-time code sent to you. You must confirm to release funds. Without authorization, the cash will not be dispensed. After authorization, wait for the ATM or merchant to dispense cash and always take the printed receipt or screenshot the digital confirmation. Once done, check your BDO app's balance and recent transactions to ensure the withdrawal cleared correctly. If the cash was not dispensed but your account was debited, do not panic. Make sure you have the receipt or screenshot and contact BDO support. If you encounter errors, give it 10-15 minutes. Sometimes network delays resolve, then escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.